Here are 6 simple fixes to try to fix keyboard lagging and freezing on iOS 26. The first one is the easiest. Sometimes if you have a screen protector on your phone and it's old and it's not fitted properly, it can mess with the keyboard and the sensitivity on the screen. So try removing the screen protector to see if that fixes it. If it does, then just get a new screen protector, apply it fresh, and then it should work going forward. Next, check if there's an iOS update. Go into settings, go to the main settings area. Mine shows right here there's an update available, but yours might not have that notification there. So just go to general, go to software update, and it's going to check to see if there's an update available. If there is an update available, install it because that often fixes problems like this. Next is force restart your phone. It's pretty simple to do. It sounds worse than it is. You have to press the volume up button, the volume down button, and hold the power button in quick succession. So up, down, and then hold the power button, and you keep holding it right through this. Don't swipe that toggle at the top there. Just keep holding the power button until the phone turns off. Keep holding it until the Apple logo comes. There it is. Now we can let go. And that's a force restart. And that often clears a bunch of glitches because it clears the RAM on your phone. It applies new settings that maybe are saved in the settings, but they're not yet fully applied because the phone hasn't been reset. So it can fix a lot of things doing that. So let's wait till let this log in again, and then we'll go to number 4 on the list of things to try. If you have multiple keyboards installed on your phone, that can cause things to get slow and laggy. To check if you do, go into your text messaging app, tap and hold on the little emoji in the corner here, and then it will show if you have different keyboards. I only have the English keyboard, which is the default Apple English one, and the emoji keyboard, which is also default. But if you have others listed here that you can switch to, you might have to delete those to stop your keyboard from being laggy. If you have others selected here, try switching back to just the plain Apple keyboard, which is usually a language name, and then see if that fixed the lagginess. If it does, you might have to delete those other keyboards. To delete them is really easy. Go into keyboard settings. Shows up here we have 2 keyboards, and you can tap into any one of them and make changes to the settings. If they're third-party keyboards, you'll be able to delete them. I can't delete these because those are Apple defaults. The last option is a little more nuclear because we have to delete some settings to make this one work. And it's deleting the stored words and dictionary of your keyboard. I don't know if you noticed before, but sometimes when you're typing, it's going to auto-suggest things that maybe you want to say. And if there's words that you use, slang or special words that only you use, your phone remembers those and puts them in the dictionary. So that when you're typing, it's going to suggest those things in the future. And that can, if you have lots of them, slow down your keyboard. To delete that dictionary or reset it, all we do is we scroll down to General, and we scroll down to the very bottom to where it says Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then we tap on Reset, and then we can tap on Reset Keyboard Dictionary, and then you just enter your PIN code right here, or your passcode, and then it's going to reset the dictionary. I'm not going to do it in this case because I like my dictionary how it is. But if you tried all other options and your keyboard is still laggy and freezing, this is the last one to try. Like I said, it's nuclear because it deletes these settings. You can't get them back. You will train the dictionary again over time, but that's going to take time. So hopefully one of those options worked for you. If they did, let us know in the comments down below which one works. It'd be really interesting to know. Or if none of these worked and you found something else that does, let us know about that too. Next up, check out this video right here which shows you how to empty the trash can on your phone. If you want more space on your phone, I can almost guarantee you'll find more by following the steps in this video. If you have value from the video you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on that one.